all maps are wrong. Let me explain. So, because the Earth is round, it is impossible to show all the countries on a flat map. So this is a photo taken from Google Earth which 100% correctly depicts the Earth. Simply because Google Earth shows you the world on a globe, on a round surface. But if we take a closer look, we can clearly see that it is much different from the map Google Maps shows you. So take a closer look at both maps as one is fading out from the other. So you can see, take a look at Africa, take a look at Russia, Europe. Both maps show you around the same countries, but as you can see, the way they depict those countries are much different. But obviously, correct depiction does not fit on a flat surface without some kind of distortion. And that is why you have all these kinds of different maps. And this is the difference between Mercator map projection and Robinson's map projection. And Mercator map projection Google Maps also uses. And look at the difference between the distortion of the countries. Take a look at Greenland, for example. Take a look at Russia. In all these countries, you can see how vastly different the projection of the countries are. Now, this is actually also misleading in the size of countries. So there's this very cool website that shows you the actual size of countries and lets you compare it to one another. And so on the surface, it seems that Greenland and Africa are exactly the same size. However, if you took the size of Greenland and put it to Africa, you can see how much smaller Greenland is compared to Africa by a matter of 14 times, in fact. You can type in a country, so let's take, for example, Russia. And as you can see on the surface, Russia also seems like huge. Like don't get me wrong, it is absolutely huge, but it seems bigger than Africa. But when you compare it to Africa, it is much smaller than Africa. And you can play with this map with any country you want. The website is called truesizeof.com, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Bye.